Testing, testing. Another rant video for you guys, man. We are not jumping into any intros or anything like that. We are just going to be talking about something that has been going on that is very, very crazy recently. You guys might have seen that the Jordan 1 Travis Scott. You know what? I should actually have the shoe out for this. Hold on. Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. So this shoe right here, which was supposed to be and most likely has taken sneaker of the year for sure now, has been jumping up in value like crazy, guys. Like the value of this shoe has exploded to numbers that I did not see coming, and people are wondering why. Why has the value shot up like almost $500 on some pairs in a matter of days? Like it doesn't make any sense. And the thing is, you'll never really know. You can kind of like speculate on the reasons why, or you can kind of like devise, I guess, conspiracy theories and stuff. But unless you're like behind the scenes and you actually see like these numbers and stuff, there's no way you're actually gonna know what's going on. My personal take on this though is that because sneakers are so darn accessible now because of like sneaker apps and stuff like GOAT app, because of that, I honestly feel like certain individuals or certain shops are buying up pairs in mass quantity because you don't see this kind of jump, hundreds of dollars on different sizes, all kinds of sizes, in a matter of hours. Usually on a graph, you'll see like a steady trend of a number slowly rising, but this usually takes many years for it to do. In the case of the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, this thing is not like this steady line. It's literally like a steep incline, like the steepest incline you can get, because in a matter of hours, these things shot up like $500. So when shops or individuals are like attempting to control markets like this, you will see that the new baseline for like a size, I don't know, let's say size 10, is gonna be the new norm, which is 1500. When it was originally like a couple days ago, you could get that same pair for 1030. Now it's at 1550, and that's going to be the new norm from now on, because whoever bought up all of these pairs of Jordan 1 Travis Scotts are hoarding sneakers now, and that's obviously going to raise the value of the Jordan 1 Travis Scott in that size, because that's the only way you can get it now is if you pay that new number 1500. You can't get it for that old number of 1030 anymore. That's gone. That's dead. That's in the water, guys. And this is called market manipulation. If you guys think of shoes as like stock markets and stuff, there are regulations in the actual stock market, you know, on Wall Street and stuff, where you guys can't do this kind of thing. Like people can't control markets and stuff like this because it puts people in like too much power. But for sneakers, it's a completely unregulated market. So that's why people are investing in sneakers now and seeing their investments like triple and double overnight. There's no way that a single organization can do this by themselves. I think either it has to be a group of sneaker stores that are saying, okay, at the same time, let's all buy up all of these shoes as much as we can, or it's an even bigger entity with like deep pockets that can do this on their own. And that's not supposed to happen. You're not supposed to see this kind of jump overnight. And that kind of is frustrating for a lot of people, because if you guys wanted this shoe and you guys were saving, you know, like working really hard, saving your paychecks, I'm gonna get that $1,000 Jordan 1 Travis Scott out of my next paycheck because I saved up enough money. Now it's 1500 and you have to save for even more weeks. By that time, who knows, maybe it'll be worth $2,000. So that is frustrating for people, and I can understand why, man. But that's the new norm now, guys. I do not see this number dipping anytime soon. I honestly feel like it's just going to continue to rise as more pairs are like being taken off the market, and as that number, that baseline entry number of like 1500 continues to rise up. Some pairs are even touching $2,000 already, which is insane. And the only way you can really like stop this thing is if Nike restocks the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, which would be hilarious, because then all of these sneaker companies that spent thousands of dollars on these shoes will be stuck with bricks. So let's pray and let's hope that Nike restocks these so that there will be Jordan 1 Travis Scotts for everybody, you know, a la Kanye West. Travis Scott, make it happen, make the call, man. Restock this stuff so everybody can have them. I think that would be super funny. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new here, subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!